Hi everyone, my name is Trisha and this is my YouTube channel called Knowledge Sharing. So today I have made a project called the prediction of rainfall. This is a machine learning project. So basically in this project we are trying to predict the rainfall based on the training and the test data sets within each year and for different states present in India. So let me show you the code. So I have basically coded this entire project on Jupyter Notebook and I have acquired the rainfall in India 1901 to 2015 dataset from Kaggle. So this basically contains all the details of the amount of rainfall along with the training and the test dataset from the year 1901 till 2015. So in the beginning of this project, I have imported, the basic libraries NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, lib.pyplot, scikit-learn. There's a new library called subprocess. So this library basically is used to run new codes and apps by creating new processes. So in the starting, I basically dropped the table present in the data set, as in from the year Jan to December and the annual rainfalls and the information along with it, along with the data type of it. Then there are various subdivisions, as in this the total number of subdivision is 36. So I have brought it out in the form of an array which basically contains the names of all the states present in India. After this is the maximum annual rainfall, as in the first group by subdivision which we have found is the 0, 1, 2, 3, which is occurring in descending order, and the next subdivision which I have got as an output is the last 33, 34 and 35, which lies under the array. After this I have plotted a graph, a basic normal graph with the y-axis as rainfall and the x-axis as the various subdivisions as in the names of the various states. So the title of this graph is the overall rainfall in each month of the year, and each color stands for each month. So like Jan is blue, March is green, June is brown and stuff like that. After this I have plotted another graph which is again the overall rainfall in each month of the year, but the x-axis stands for the years, as in 1900, 1920, 1940, like it stands for every 20 years, and the y-axis is rainfall. Again the colors stand for the months. After this I have plotted two graphs which shows the difference between the actual and predicted the data set. This is for the training data set, and this shows the difference between the actual and predicted rainfall for the test data set. So again, now there's something called MAD value. MAD stands for median absolute deviation. It lets us obtain the mean absolute deviation of values contained in the specified axis of the given data frame. So it basically allows us to find the mean, the average value. So the first average is giving us 93.67 for the training data set and 93.5 for the test data set. We've done the same thing again to find out the prediction value for the MAD. So now in the next one it shows the MAD value is 88.38, and for the test data set it shows 88.07. So as you see, the MAD value for the training data set and the test data set is really close to each other, like there's barely any difference. After this I have plotted a final graph called the residual plot. A residual plot basically shows us the difference between the observed response and the fitted response values. So basically this is now we found two graphs. So this is the combined version of the graph which shows the difference between them and how they would look together. Now the first one was for the training data set. Now this is for the testing data set, and finally I have plotted one for all the subdivisions, where the blue line stands for the training data set and the orange line stands for the test data set. Here the y-axis is the mean absolute difference as in MAD, and the x-axis is subdivisions as in all the states. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So the code and the dataset is present in my GitHub link, which is available below. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.